So today we're going to take something a little bit out of the norm here and talk about Ecobee or Ecobee, however you say that, the thermostats that you can have in your house. And we're resetting the, see how it says here, until 1041, we're controlling that setting at the unit. So stay tuned, we're going to jump right to it. So the first thing you need to do is sign on to your Ecobee. I'm on the web portal, so sign on there. And you can see your devices. So if you look here, you can see your devices. And I'm interested in modifying this one right here. Now notice here when I change the temperature down off of the norm, right? That when I change it down, it said until 10. Now I did this one already, so you won't be able to see the setting. But here I'm going to change it till 79. And it'll come up and normally it would give me a message, hey, until whatever time. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. So if I go here to main, for example, you know what, actually let's change this one here. Basement. Let's change basement here to 78. Okay. Now it's going to go ahead and make that change. And notice here it says until 9:43 a.m. Why does it say that? To see where it says that, go into settings and go into preferences and go right here to hold action. And notice here that the hold action gives you a whole bunch of choices. Now you can put it, I lock it down to 2 hours so that when people make changes to the thermostats, it changes it for 2 hours and then pops it back to the normal schedule. Today, I want to just do it until I change it because I'm doing some testing on the system. So, but you could put decide at time of change, which is probably the standard. And then you hit close. And now, I'm going to go ahead and cancel that one. But if you notice here, now if I go down to 78, it's just going to tell me it's holding. Meaning that it's just going to stay there at that temperature. So that's as easy as it is.